What is up, everybody? NCmotoRIDER here, and today I am out on my 2008 Triumph Street Triple 675. I'm out on the 675 today. I did have an R6, and I might have mentioned it in some of my other videos or whatnot, but I rode it a few times and it just wasn't for me. So I ended up trading for this 2008 675 Street Triple. It feels good to be back on a triple, I won't lie. I do sometimes miss the MT-09, but this right here is actually a really fun bike. It doesn't have the torque and all that the MT-09 had, but it's still plenty of bike to have fun on, plenty of bike to throw in and out of curves and whatnot. I like it. I'm happy with it. I have ridden it a few times since I've had it, but since then I have changed out the handlebars, put on some Renthal Road ultra low bars, did some Domino MotoGP grips. It had bar end mirrors on it when I got it, and I did not care for those whatsoever. So these are some, I think, MZS Amazon mirrors that were made to fit this bike. They work pretty good. They don't vibrate much at all or anything like that. Also put new MZS levers on it, because it had gold levers on it. I mean, they worked, but I just didn't like the gold color. It also had gold pegs on it as well, so I swapped those out for some Puig racing pegs. But I love the way this thing rides with the new handlebars and all on it. The previous owner did take the front cowl windscreen, whatever it's supposed to have on the front of it, off. Although he did say it was some kind of aftermarket screen. So I've been looking for one of those, and I believe I found one. I actually purchased one from a guy today, as a matter of fact. A white one, so it should match the bike pretty well. So as soon as I get that in the mail, I'll probably get that installed. I think I'm going to have to find some screws or whatnot for it, because he didn't have the screws that supposedly is supposed to hold it all on, but hopefully I can find some screws at like Lowe's or something. But I do like the bike a lot. It's a lot of fun. I also really like the double headlights. I think they look pretty cool. It's just different. Right now it's got Dunlop Road Sport 2 tires on it, and I mean, they have plenty of tread on them for me to ride until, you know, I need to change them, and they're okay, but I'll definitely be throwing a set of Bridgestone S22s on them as soon as these are no longer good. I mean, I like Dunlop. I used to run Q3 Pluses on my 09, but then I switched to the Bridgestones because they were a little bit cheaper, and these are all right, but I can feel them wanting to get a little loose in certain corners whenever you lean far enough. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to put some Bridgestones on this thing. I just wanted to come out and ride some, figured I'd do a video, kind of let you guys know that I got this new to me Triumph, and I really like it. So definitely stay tuned for some more videos about this bike. It's a lot of fun. Alright guys, if you have any questions about the bars, the pegs, or anything about the bike at all, let me know down in the comments. If you are not subscribed to the channel, definitely subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Later.